Hello listeners, welcome to another episode of Taste and Tales. I'm your host Anushka here at Cool Radio, and today we are diving into some of the most thrilling culinary experiences across India. From Amritsar's finest Asian plate to Bangalore's sensory journey into Indian spirits, and even a touch of San Francisco in Delhi. There's so much to explore, and this episode has something for everyone. Let's get started. Who would have thought that Amritsar, known for its lassi and kulchas, would also be a home to one of India's finest pan-Asian dining spots? Meet Shizo, Amritsar's hottest foodie destination. Curated by the talented chef Honey Mishra, this restaurant offers a menu brimming with creativity, indulging into the taste of duck tacos or Thai betel leaf rolls, savoring lamb five spice or feasting on a crispy carrot bao. The true showstopper, however, is their omakase dining experience, a personalized chef's tasting menu that highlights the finest seasonal ingredients. Whether it's a casual meal or a celebration, Shizo is redefining Amritsar's culinary scene with its contemporary vibe and avant-garde take on classic Asian dishes. Next, we're heading to Bangalore, where the Good Craft Co. has launched Flavor Lab. It's not just a bar, it's a full-blown experience for anyone who loves Indian spirits. At Flavor Lab, you'll find 4 interactive zones that let you dive into the art of spirit making. Through guided tasting sessions, you'll learn about the ingredients and processes that go into crafting some of the finest Indian spirits. It's a sensory journey that combines craft, flavor, and storytelling, a one-of-a-kind opportunity for spirit enthusiasts to engage with India's diverse drinking culture. For those who crave a taste of San Francisco, Delhi has a new culinary gem, Mission Bay. Founded by Pooja Sahu, founder of the Potbelly Bihari Kitchen, this restaurant blends the spirit of Frisco with the vibrancy of Delhi. The interiors channel a mid-century vibe inspired by iconic San Francisco eateries, while the menu celebrates the city's multicultural food heritage. From hamachi crudo to brined pork chops and even pork carnitas, each dish is crafted under the guidance of head chef Adam Timney. Whether you're looking for the fine dining or street food flair, Mission Bay delivers it with authenticity and style. If you're ready to take your love for food on the road, Journey On has something special for you. They have launched Maestro Journeys, a series of culinary travel experiences across India, led by some of the country's most celebrated chefs. Imagine following a Kerala spice trail with chef Sapna Anand or exploring the flavors of the Northeast with the chef Thomas Zacharies. These journeys go beyond dining. They are impressive, hands-on experiences that connect you with India's rich culinary heritage. That wraps up today's episode. From Amritsar's pan-Asian innovation at Shizo to Bangaluru's Flavor Lab, Delhi's Mission Bay, and the immersive culinary journeys by Journey On. Stay tuned for more food and culture discoveries in our next episode. Don't forget to share and subscribe to Cool Radio. Until next time, keep feasting.